Hey gang, it's Lidlam's Apothecary Health and Beauty Hacks, and today we're going to make our own capsules. Make your own supplements at home with the capsule machine I got at Bulk Supplements. And we're going to make my favorite anti-aging, anti-glycation, and actually reverse the aging of your cells and double their lifetime with L-Carnosine, DMAE, and Acetyl L-Carnitine. These work great together and help boost the effects of L-Carnosine. And all of these I got at Bulk Supplements. You can, a much cheaper way to do it, make your own capsules. The capsule machine's a little confusing, and that's what we're gonna do it today. Yay! And if you like videos like these, please give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe, and if you hit the bell button, you will be notified when we go live on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and when I upload videos on Thursdays. Okay, guys? Woo! Yeehaw! All right, so you guys, this machine, I got 00. They come in 3 different sizes. The 0, 00, about 700 milligrams, and the 000. And you just want to make sure that you also get the same size, see, 00, same size gelatin caps. Otherwise, you're going to be frustrated because they don't fit in the machine. Very cheap way to do this. Okay, and I've been taking L-Carnosine. If you've seen any other videos, this is great anti-aging, amazing for your brain, for your whole body, a good long-term supplement that helps actually reverse the signs of aging in your cells. It helps chelate metals out of your body, out of your brain, really helps your brain, really helps your skin, and it not only protects your cells from damage, but helps repair, actually reverse anti-age your cells on all your body, not only your skin. So that's pretty dope. And when you mix it with DMAE and Acetyl L-Carnitine, it actually really helps take out the lipofuscin, the dark blotches, like when you get dark blotches on your skin and your hands. It's a sign of what's also happening inside your brain, your organs, all of your body. So actually it helps take that out, which is very, very cool. Protects your cells from the ravages of glycation, and which is excess sugars, and it actually helps expand the lifespan of your cells in studies. It actually extends the life of your cells by 200%, which is wild, amazing. So the formula that I aspire to, I never actually probably get this much carnosine, but it's 1,500 milligrams a day of carnosine. At least 600 twice a day would be great. I probably get around 600 only. 1,200 milligrams of acetyl L-Carnitine, which I put mine in here from Bulk Supplements, and 240 milligrams of DMAE. And the capsules we're making, you could, to reach that, you could take 2 of them in the morning, 2 of them at night to get almost to that level. We're gonna put 19 milligrams of our L-Carnosine, 15 milligrams of our acetyl L-Carnitine, and 3 milligrams of the DMAE. We're gonna blend it up, a little blender, so it's all mixed up, You wanna blend it up for a few minutes, so it's thoroughly blended and fluffy, because we're not using fillers. That's the whole beauty of Bulk Supplements, is that you don't have to, there's nothing else in here. So there's no flow agents. They put a lot of, stearate, magnesium stearate and stuff like that in to supplements that you buy so that they are easy to fill on the capsules. But you're doing it. You're doing the hard work. So the total milligrams contained in each capsule, and the 00s are 700 milligrams, which equals 357 milligrams L-Carnosine, and then 286 milligrams of the acetyl L-Carnitine, 58 of the DMAE. That's what we'll get. I'll clarify that in the description. This is confusing. Okay, here's a fun machine. So it's a little confusing. What do all these parts do? There's all these little, how does this work? Let's do it. Okay. Here we are. So I'm just going to blend it into this little blender. Hamilton Beach blender that I got from Amazon. $14 blender. You can use whatever blender. Let's measure out our ingredients. So you're going to need a scale. Okay. Put the measuring bucket on there, and then you tar it. Okay, I already taught it. Let's measure out our 19 grams of carnosine. L-Carnosine. A little over. Great. As you can see, it's kind of clumpy. So I'm gonna put that into here. Carnosine. Fabulous. Woo! And we measure out 15 grams acetyl L-Carnitine. Splendid. Dump that in. Hey! And now we have a little bit of our DMAE, 3 grams. Yay! And now we're going to blend this up thoroughly, darlings. Blending this up for a few minutes. Thoroughly mix that several minutes. Wait till it settles down so it's not fluffing up and breathing it in. You know what I mean? And now for the fun part. So there's 5 different parts that come with this machine. There's the base, and there's this little thing so that they don't get pushed down. But then on the bottom, we're gonna put a plate so that we collect all the powder that goes down. Comes with instructions, even comes with a little drying packet that you can, if you have old gelatin capsules, they wick moisture from the air so they can be a little gooey and not fit in the holes. But we got a fresh packet, so. All right, so you got the base so that they don't get pushed through. You'll see. You put the base and then the bottom. We're gonna put all the powder there, scrape it through. Here's got a little tamper down. And then the top of it. This is to push them out. This is the top where you put the top fatter capsules. Show you. So each capsule, there's a thin one, goes in the bigger section, right? The top, you're gonna put it in there. So I'm gonna put all these in here. There's 24 of them. Speed that up. Et voila! Oh, tedious. It gets easier. Then, darlings, now that this is all settled down, we dump some on. We'll fill in the caps. You scrape it along so it really gets in there. Clamp it or tamp it down. And then you scrape it again. Do this multiple times so that it's full, as close to the 700 milligrams as you can. Oh geez, endless. Do this multiple times, maybe even like 10 times. Our supplement is white, so you can't really see it. Then, once you get that level, see? Just get a level, pretty packed in there. You put the cap on. You push it down. Right, so it just, see how it's squished down? So it clamps the top of the capsule into the bottom. You lift it up. Squish it, good. All right, so some didn't complete. But then you can just push down this top thingy. Except those, we got 3 that didn't go. Finito! L-Carnosine DMAE Acetyl L-Carnitine. So gang, what do you think? I think it's a great way to custom stack your supplements. This is a great way to combine and mix and to just make it, put a little bit of effort in and make your own capsules, and then it's easy to take it daily and you'll actually do it. Huh? Yes, and bulk supplements makes it easy to do. So that's fabulous, darlings. And if you like that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know if you've taken L-Carnosine, DMAE, and Acetyl L-Carnitine, if you've taken them individually, your experiences with these, or let's discuss in the comments, eh? Let's do it. Okay? Yeah! Hang loose. Hi guys, it's Lita. And if you 2 of these in the morning and night. Acetyl L-Carnitine is L-Carnosine. L-Carnosine, which is in this today's day and age very difficult to because they get water. They do so basically the way you do it, because we're gonna be making